Today we're talking about something that's really important if you own a beautiful rug: how to protect your investment. Fine rugs can last for over 100 years and even appreciate in value, but only if you take good care of them. So let's dive into the most common ways rugs get damaged and, more importantly, how you can prevent it. Believe it or not, the number one enemy of your fine rug might be sitting in your closet right now. It's your vacuum cleaner. The beater brush is especially brutal. It can tangle, rip, and tear the fringe, and even create threadbare patches over time. Even those little robotic vacuums can chew up the edges. Most vacuums are simply too powerful for delicate rug fibers. If you absolutely have to vacuum, do it no more than once every 2 weeks, and always turn off the beater brush. Be gentle. Next up, our furry friends. We love our pets, but puppies and even bored older pets love to chew on things, and rug corners are a favorite target. This can destroy the binding and start the unraveling process. Fringe is also like a built-in tug-of-war toy for them. If pet hair is a problem, instead of using a harsh vacuum, try wiping the surface with a damp towel or get one of those special, inexpensive pet hair removal tools. They work wonders without causing damage. Another huge issue is improper cleaning. Please, do not let general carpet cleaners or in-home services touch your fine rugs. They often use harsh chemicals designed for synthetic carpets, which strip the natural oils from wool and silk, causing permanent damage. In-home cleaning also leaves behind soapy residue that attracts more dirt and can lead to mold because the rug never truly dries. A fine rug should never be cleaned with machines. It needs to be hand-washed by a master who understands its specific materials. At our facility, for instance, we create a custom organic shampoo for each rug and even have it third-party certified. Now for the creepy crawlies. Moths and carpet beetles love dirty rugs. They feast on the dander, hair, and dirt trapped in the fibers. To prevent this, keep your rugs clean and regularly check the back, especially in dark areas under furniture, for any signs of larvae. Mice are also a threat, particularly if you're storing your rug. If you need to store it, wrap it in a breathable cotton sheet and always elevate it off the floor. Water damage is a total nightmare. A broken pipe, a leaky plant pot. If a rug stays wet for more than 24 hours, mildew will start to grow. That's why you should never, ever put potted plants directly on your rugs. If an accident happens, act fast. Blot the area with a dry towel immediately and use a fan to help it dry. Then call a rug expert as soon as you can. And that brings me to DIY cleaning. I know it's tempting to grab that spot cleaner from the store that says rug safe, but please don't. These products can set stains permanently or bleach the colors. The best thing you can do when a spill happens is to call a professional right away. They can walk you through the correct, time-sensitive steps for your specific type of rug and stain. A few more quick tips. Always use a quality rug pad. It's not just for safety. It prevents the rug from shifting and warping, which is very difficult to fix. Be mindful of sun damage. Direct sunlight will bleach your rug, so use blinds or rotate your rug every 6 months to even out the fading and foot traffic. Speaking of traffic, place delicate silk rugs in low-traffic areas to prevent premature wear. A well-maintained handmade rug is a piece of art that can be passed down through generations. Check your rugs regularly. Document them with photos and appraisals for insurance. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on preserving your beautiful home furnishings. See you next time.